Stop it, Zawado. Stop it, stop it. Stop. Stop it, Zawado. Stop it, Zawado. Stop it, Zawado. Stop it, Zawado. Yo, what's good, Dolman fam? Today I'm using Blizzard. So it's like Cyborg, but it's in a fruit instead. You know what I mean. It's literally like Cyborg, but in dough. This guy's hacking, bro. This guy's hacking. I don't think any experts has an anti-stun. Oh, gosh. Oh, 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 oh. Why are people arguing on my Discord server? Bro, what? What the?
Can anyone please give me turn blow, please? I just a spin.
By accident. Oh, low level build. Oh shit. He's trying to escape. Oh shit. I forgot I wasted my soul. Bro, wait, what is that? Whoa. What the fuck just happened? What is... Bro, I'm trapped. Bro. Oh shit, bro. Dozier. Hate those. Oh, 60 mil, bet. Let's go, bro. Bet, 60 mil. Bro, how did he escape? What the fuck did he Bro, I can't do anything. Oh my god. You're fucking kidding, bro. Guys, if you see this guy, please kill him. I run this especially Dozers. Oh, she's trying to... Oh, come on. Bro! Oh my fucking gamer, bro. Oh my fucking god, he left. Bro, where the fuck did he leave, bro? I just told my whole Discord server to 1v1 me. So hopefully at least one of them. Oh, we got one. I hate these people, bro. These guys are just making me mad, bro. They're just making me mad. Just making me fucking mad, bro. Just making me mad. Get the fuck out, bro. What is she fucking doing, bro? Wait a minute. How does this guy have 10 mil roll? But he's just a 3 mil. I'll quit on this stun, guys. It's time to land our combo. Oh, come on. GG. I'm not toxic, guys. Because he's not a fishman user. Bro, this fruit is actually so broken. It's Cyborg and Dog combined. They're broken, bro. Like, I can just do that and die. Nice. And he can't do shit about it. Ooh, I'm gonna kill him with this. I'm gonna kill him. Oh. GG's, bro. Told you guys, he's already dead. He's dead, guys. Hi. So, watch this. Bro, come on, I got this. Oh my god, the Ruger is so trash. That's the Ruger is actually trash. Oh. He's trying to trap me. You're trapped, bro. What is he doing, bro? Whoa, bro. Bro. Oh, okay, I guess. Did he just trap himself and let me kill him? I'll take that free 10k bounty. Free bounty? Oh, screen shake. Oh my god, the screen shake, bro. Oh, no, I'm not dead. His cyber ran out. I'm alive. Oh, snipe. Oh, come on. Oh, got him. And I'll take that. I'll take that free bounty. Actually, I'm gonna switch to God Human. Wait, they're camping me. Oh shit! No! Oh! I think I'm dead. I'm dead, guys. Please. I think I'm dead. Oh! Come on! Bro, what the? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? He's stuck. Oh, get the fuck out, bro. This is my server. This guy. Oh, where's he going? Trying to run. Can't run, bro. Free bounty. Oh, I see free bounty. Free bounty. Bro, where's he going? Free bounty, guys. Oh, he doesn't want to be killed. I'm gonna just act like a noob, guys. Oh, I gotta wait so long for him to come down. Oh, get ready. Get ready, bro. Come on, bro. Good. Oh. Shit on, bro. Maybe if he sky camped more, he would have won. Yep. Sky camping again. If he sky camped, he would have won. Oh, combo. Bro, come on, get. Come on. Oh no. Oh, bro, lag. You know what, sky camp? GG. GG, bro. No, it ain't skill. Bro, shut the fuck up, bro. This guy's getting on my nerves. This guy's getting on my nerves, bro. Bro, did he just contract? I'm literally spamming. I'll show my skill, guys. Bro, what? No, nobody wants to trade with you, bro. Just get out. What is you doing, bro? Screen shake, bro. Bro, I told you I'll show you skill.